Hello friends, welcome to our new tutorial. Today I am show you how to use JavaScript for name, password and PIN code validation. So let's start our video. First go to form, define form. Now form name is form1. Method is form1.html. And action is post. Now click on Advanced Edit and click on JavaScript event. In value field type return validate form, and hit enter. So 1, type name after that. Go to form field and field type, select text and the field name is fname and hit enter. Now you know how to add password and PIN code field, so add them in a form. And last for submit button. Go to form field and select submit button in field type. Now field name and field value is submit. Now go to source and below of title type script and end of script. Now in a script type function validate form. In function type var x equals document.form1.fname.value. Then copy paste it 2 times. Now change the value of variable. And change fname to password or PIN code. After that type if x equals null x equals. In if condition type alert, in alert type that what do you want. Then type document.form1.fname.focus. After that type return false. Do the same thing for password and PIN code. But remember to change name to password or PIN code. Now save it and test it. If you like the video, share it to other students.